Hi guys, welcome back to Deutsche Performance. You join me underneath a Subaru WRX STI. This one's in for a few bits, as you can probably see. It's in for a full catback system, so I'll go from the secondary cap back. I'll probably build it all in true 3-inch. 1 centre res, 2 rear back boxes, and to finish off, some nice titanium burnt tips. Obviously still quad, keeping the same sort of style on the rear end. And I'm also going to be fitting some new brakes to it, EBC, just regular discs on this one, and EBC Yellowstuff pads, so it gives you a little bit more bite when it's cold. So I'm going to start by doing the mechanical, doing the brakes first, and then I'll strip the exhaust off and start building. I've been instructed that these are quite common for when you're taking the caliper, stripping the threads out of the caliper, which is what these have done. As you see, they're very shiny. So to fix that, drill the hole, put a heady coil in, obviously run a tap down these, clean the threads up, wire wheel, whatever you will, and yeah, that's the fix for it. guys, that's the WRX all done now. True 3-inch system the whole way from the secondary cap back. I haven't started it up yet, so we'll have first listen together. But I think it should sound pretty good. Shouldn't be too loud, but we should have definitely unlocked that Subaru rumble.